Wagon bro.
Niaje.
Kofiti tuko na nani hapa?
Tile Park bro.
Tile fuck bro. Danza one in Kenya.
Ndio hiyo sasa.
So Tile nikuulize aje. Do you believe in love?
Yes.
So how long should a talking stage take?
As long as you are able to figure each other out. That is the purpose of a talking stage.
So
you should not have a time limit.
a lie.
Okay.
So what is the craziest thing you've ever done for love?
Yeah, I don't do crazy stuff. I just do normal loving.
A lie. Does long distance relationship work according to you?
Yes, why not?
Zimewak mingi sana. Simba mbali na huwa nyoka.
Ah, as long as you know what you want, as long as you trust the person, should be good.
Okay. So do you prefer cheating back on a cheating partner?
I don't cheat.
You don't cheat. Hey! So kama exes wewe umekuwa nao wote ni wao walikuwa na cheat ama?
No, I've only been cheated once. Yeah.
So can you get back on a cheating partner?
I leave immediately and I never look back.
A lie. So nikimalizia swali ya mwisho, umekuwa na dance 98 kutokea kitambo. Kama dancers wote umedeal na wao, who is your best dancer right now in Kenya?
All of them are good.
All of them are good.
Yeah.
A lie. Aya, na kwa DC zako zote ushaitoa, gani ndio una feel huwa ni best of the best dances yenye ushaitoa?
Let me see. So there's one that trended worldwide. Yeah. It's called TikTok. Yeah. That's the one.
So what advice can you give to upcoming creators and dancers? What advice can you give to them?
Work on your skill. After your skill is top class, work on your business. That's it.
Oh my God! Wow!